Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today we will write an essay, A Visit to Museum. A museum is a place where cultural, historical, scientific or important things are kept and shown to the public. A visit to the museum is very inductive. Inductive means introductory. Dilkash. Last Saturday, our history teacher took us to the Lahore Museum. It is situated in front of Punjab University Hall on the Shahra-e-Qaid. It is a grand building with a high ceiling. The Lahore Museum is an important place where works of art and other objects of historical values are kept and displayed. It is a wonderful place to study the old civilization. There were neatly arranged glass cases which displayed ancient swords, daggers, garments, ornaments, coins, bows and arrows. There were tags with brief description on most of the items on display. There were paintings, pictures, and clay models of ancient craftsmanship. The huge statue of Queen Victoria lay in one room of the museum. Old manuscripts of the Holy Quran interested us very much. We spent 3 hours in the museum. There were many other things to see, but we were tired. In the evening, we returned home safe and sound. It was an informative and rewarding visit indeed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz and take care.